Cleaning and organizing our home is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and thanks for coming here and joining me in this process of cleaning and organizing my kitchen countertop. Kitchen is a space that we clean on daily basis, but still there will be few areas that we cannot cover as part of our everyday cleaning routine. I usually tackle these areas in interval of 15 days. This time, while doing this, I thought of reorganizing my kitchen in a different way. And this time, I am not going to invest on any new organizer or decor element, just going to repurpose and reuse my existing organizers. Last time I decorated my kitchen, I used lots of colors, which with time became so overwhelming. So this time I decided to go with some neutral tones. To the right side of my gas stove, I thought of creating a tea station using this tray, which was the simple MDF tray with drawers, to which I am giving legs using these 4 similar waste plastic caps. And since I don't want any vibrant color in my kitchen this time, I am painting this tray to white. And these drawers are of great help in kitchen countertop to keep some small spoons, sachets, etc. At this corner, I am going to place the chakla belan stand, which has been my companion in this kitchen for quite long. Felt like I have underestimated its capacity till now. Did some basic adjustment and replace that one extra tray that I might have used to keep my everyday use oil and ghee container. Like how adding the spices can enhance the taste of our foods, Having a beautiful spice box can increase the beauty of a countertop. Giving some height from surface to wooden trays and boxes in kitchen countertop is very important according to me to save them from any kind of damage. And finally, adding this artificial plant at this corner to complete the look. The top open shelf, which is little difficult for me to access, I am going to decorate it with some less used crockery items and decor elements. I have kept the neutral color tone in mind while choosing the decor items. Talking about neutral color tones, our Indian kitchens will always have different kind of dals and pulses in different color tones, which are no less than any decor item when stored in a clear glass containers. Same like pulses, even spices, either powdered or whole, are very beautiful decor elements for kitchen for me when stored in beautiful containers. At this corner of my kitchen, I have created a breakfast counter for which I have already uploaded a video on my channel. If interested to watch, can check the link in I button. Hope you liked being here with me and enjoyed organizing my kitchen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.